Nice. All right. Over the next few years, most of the world's trades won't be placed by humans. They'll be placed by agents. If you imagine the burgeoning AI economy as a big bustling city, then Cod3x represents Wall Street, where anyone with good ideas or proprietary data can come in, set up shop, and instantly scale. Hi, I'm Steven, product manager at Cod3x. We are a no-code platform working with thousands of people around the world to create financial superintelligence. Our team built the first crypto AI agent framework in 2021. We built the first AI agent, financial agent in 2023, and we built the first crypto trading agent in 2024, which outperformed BTC by trading spot only using GPT-4o Mini. And today, you can use Cod3x to analyze markets or trade autonomously using custom, dynamic, and context-aware strategies, all from a single chat interface. So, first, what's the problem? Trading agents today are operating in a black market. Whether they're useful or not, there's little to no identity or accountability. We're all watching these little agents chug along with no audit trails. Everyone is supposedly winning, but we can see the back end and know that that's not the case. There is, however, one exciting trend, and the winners are winning consistently. And with ERC 8004 and Cod3x's auditability, these winners now have a means of turning their agents into a source of passive income. Traders will pay to copy them, researchers will buy their data, and other creators will pay to fork their agents' templates. And now I want to show you how one agent comes alive. So, Cod3x lets you spin up agents for pre-built templates. Think of them as genetic blueprints for trading strategies. Each of these agents can diverge from their starting blueprints by instructions, configuration, or experiences. So if I were to go into the RSI mean reversion scalper and look at the details, we can see the tasks, the triggers, the strategy, and the logic that define this agent's behavior. So after I'm done with that, we can see what happens when this agent starts thinking. So if I were even to say something simple as make me money, or something a bit more complex like analyze hype on the 4-hour time frame and look for potential reversals, we can see what's happening beneath the surface. So your request started at the client. That was the Cod3x terminal. The agent then picks the right models and tools for the job. The intent solver takes your plain language text and turns it into a structured plan. Then the reasoning engine pulls in the data, whether internal or external, reasons through it, hands it over to the action builder. And then the action builder decides what's the next best course of action, right? Whether that's going to be a trade, an analysis, or even a social post. All of this gets evaluated, and it cycles through as many times needed, depending on the complexity of the prompt. After it's done, it gets sent over to the policy engine, which enforces hard rules and portfolio limitations, and then the wallet either signs a transaction or you get a response on the analysis. Now, just a minute on the wallet. So, all authority is delegated to the owner. The agent never sees the private keys. The policy engine ensures all checks and balances are in place. The transaction router makes sure that there are no hallucinations or malicious code injections. All of that, the sanitized transaction gets sent to the air-gapped security module where final identity validations are made, and then finally, a transaction is executed. But this loop thinking process, action, evaluation is how our agents act autonomously but stay accountable. Every step of the way is logged and traceable. But at this point, it's just a thinking agent, right? It does not yet exist in the public record. So let's give it an identity. And this is where ERC 8004 comes in, the trustless agents standard. With ERC 8004, when I go into Cod3x, I can fill in a few details right over here. I can go in, register the agent. Cod3x mints an ERC 721 identity NFT. The metadata links to the public registration file, its strategy, endpoints, trust models, and a link to its audit trail. And this is how we turn agentic finance from a black market to a trusted industry standard. But identity alone isn't enough, though. Our agentic Wall Street needs banks. And this is where X402 comes in. With X402, every interaction between the agents can be securely monetized, and users can choose to use X402 to sell any aspect of their agent's data. So when these two are switched on, any other agent can discover it, any other protocol as well, any other user can buy its data, and all of this gets evaluated. So no complicated onboarding, instant settlement, and USDC. And now, lastly, I want to take you to the marketplace. Each card over here is a registered agent, on-chain identity, verified performance, and live earnings. And users can copy trade any of these agents or buy their analysis directly. Every transaction sends a micropayment to the creator through X402. Inference cost is now shared, value is maximized, and the whole network learns and grows collectively. And for the first time, intelligence compounds like capital. I'm sure you can see now how Cod3x will create financial superintelligence. So, to recap, in under 10 minutes, we created a living agent, trained it, verified it, and gave it a source of income. ERC 8004 gives it identity and discovery. X402 provides payments and autonomy. And Cod3x provides purpose. A place where agents can work, learn, and earn. And this is how Ethereum becomes the coordination layer for the AI economy, where every agent has an identity, every transaction leaves proof, and every insight has value. Welcome to Cod3x, the Wall Street of the autonomous world. Thank you.
Thank you, Steven. Thank you very much. Brilliant presentation.